Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I just got a package. It is my Oura Ring, and this has nothing to do with notebooks. This is more for my sleep tracking, and it came all the way from Finland, and I'm very excited about it. It has had great reviews, and I ordered this at the beginning of April. Around April 14th, 15th, so it took me about a month to get it. Woohoo! Yay! I am so freaking excited. Oh! So this is the packaging that it comes in, and that is the information. Oura helps you understand how your body responds to your lifestyle and your personal rhythms by combining short and long-term data about your sleep and activity. It helps you adjust your behavior to improve sleep and achieve better health and performance. Ouraring.com. Woohoo! All right. Woo! I am so excited. Now this is the silver balance ring. And as you can see, like right here, it kind of comes to a point. You can see the, let me see if I can take that off. Woo. So there's the point right there. And the sensors are in the ring, and this is a size 11, and I got it to go right there, and it fits like a glove. And they actually send you a ring kit that has all the sizes in it, and it feels just like this, except it's made out of plastic, but you get to figure out which one, which finger you're gonna wear it on, and all of that. So I am very excited to actually have it. And then this is the charger. So let me get it out of the box. So it comes with all of this and the charger. This is very, very nicely put together. Oh, holy cow. The charge is supposed to last 6 days, and you can even turn it on in airplane mode to have it where it's not constantly giving back data. So the Bluetooth is actually turned off, but I will not be doing that. I want that. And I already have a Bluetooth device on this hand, so it doesn't bother me. So, woohoo! I am very excited for this. Oh my goodness. And I got a 50%, or not 50%, I had a $50 discount on this, and so it only cost me, well, I will say it is pricey. My cost was $249, then $15 for shipping. So that is the charger. It's a USB charger. You just plug that in, take your ring off, and set it there to charge. And so I'm going to have to let this charge, I would imagine. I don't think it probably comes charged, but it only takes about 20 to 30 minutes to charge. So, and you have all the information that you need about it, and I am dang excited. So I'm filming this unboxing, and I will probably put it up as a vlog, but then I will do an update after I've used this for a couple of weeks. But I will be wearing it 24/7 except for when I charge it. And it is part of my quest for longevity and improving my health and living longer, all of that. So I want to make sure that I'm getting as solid a sleep as I hope I am. And this also helps with my training because it tells me when it's optimal for me to train or if I should not be training. So, and as a girl that loves boxes and containers, this thing is freaking awesome. It is very, very nice. Oh, but this is, again, is the balance ring in silver. And they have two different models. This one, as I said, has the little point to it, and then they have the other model it's flat. It has like a little flat space to it. And then you also can get it, this is the silver. They also have a matte black, and then they also have a metal black that's a shiny black. But I wear silver, obviously, and that was perfect. And these were the ones that were already in stock as soon as, or the soonest that were in stock. So you do wait a bit longer for other ones because they are more higher demand, but it does not have a bad profile on it. It's not heavy. It just sits right there. A lot of people wear it on their thumb. They don't recommend that. They recommend these 3 fingers. But I like to wear rings on my middle finger and then my wedding ring. And so what I will probably do is wear my wedding ring here and not wear a ring on my middle finger on this hand since I have it here. But the rings that I wear on my middle fingers are all adjustable, so I can wear those on other fingers and be fine. And I can even wear one over here, or I can adjust my raven to here. But right now, this is how I like it, and it is beautiful. And it's not overly done. You can't tell that there are sensors in there. You can just see it when they're off. And so, yeah, that is fantastic. So I am very excited for this. I have waited for a month for this, and yeah. So there we go. I will update you in a few weeks on how it's been going. So, but that is my Oura Ring from Finland. Yay! I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.